when doing the mattress seam, you want to have a tail that's at least, I would say at least 1.5 to 2 times the length of the seam that you want to seam up. Now normally you'll use the tail of your yarn or attach the same yarn in the same color, but for this demonstration I'll use a white yarn for contrast. Now to do the mattress seam, you'll first want to either attach your yarn or you can grab your yarn tail. So in this case I'll attach my yarn. I'll just put it into one of the stitches near the corner, pull the yarn through, and then you want to go to the other side now. So we'll go to this side and we're going to look for the bar between the stitches. You can look for the V's and find the bar between the V's, or you can use the bar inside the V. Either one you can choose, but just make sure you do the same for both pieces. So in this case, I will skip this first row here and I'll look at this second set of V's and I'll go for the bar inside the V. So I will just come here, and now you can pick up either 1 or 2 of these bars. And I just like to do 2 because it's a bit faster. So I'll put the tapestry needle through the 2 stitches and pull it through. You don't need to pull this yarn tight, you can leave it loose for a bit and then tighten it up as you go. Next, you want to come back to this first piece and do the same thing. You'll want to look for the bar between the V and pick up these 2 stitches, or these 2 bars, and pull the yarn through. And then you just keep repeating. Now you go back to this piece and you want to now make sure you're going back into the same hole that the yarn is coming out of. So you're going to go back into this hole and pick up 2 bars here, like that, and pull the yarn. And one more time back to this side. Do the same thing. Go into the hole that the yarn came out of, and then pick up 2 bars and pull the yarn through. And now we can just hold this bottom end here and pull it like that. And now it will join seamlessly. And now as you keep repeating that up the area that you want to seam, it will look more and more seamless, and then you can just pull the yarn. You can pull it from both ends, and now you'll have a seamless join. So you would only see the yarn if you pulled the pieces apart, but otherwise you could use a different color yarn and you wouldn't see it in the seam. And that's it.